Today is Wednesday and it's very cold today. It's gonna rain all day. I don't know what's going on anymore, but I took this as an opportunity to wear this blazer again because I cannot really wear it during the summer. I mean, I can in the evening, but it's a little warmer. And then I'm just wearing these suit trousers that kind of match the fabric of the blazer. So it's kind of like a suit. And then I think I will wear my boots from Antwerp. I've been trying to get a hair appointment at my salon, but it's fully booked for like the coming 2 months, and you always have to kind of wait. Or what I do is I put myself on a waiting list and I wait until there's a spot free. But no one is canceling their appointments. So I've been like waiting all this time, and I could have maybe just booked an appointment. I'm just like so over this long hair. I'm kind of debating what I should do. Last summer I cut my hair until like here, like a little bit of a 90s length with like front layers. But I kind of want to go short again. Like I used to have very short hair, like Winona Ryder short hair when I was like, let's say when I was like studying. And then it kind of grew out as well. And before, when I was really young, like when I was 16, I think, I had like a bob, like a very short bob. I don't know what to do. Also, I'm kind of afraid I will miss doing a ponytail like this because I feel really good in it. So I don't know, guys. I mean, I could, what I used to do, I like slicked it back so you kind of get the same-ish vibe, but I won't be able to do this. I've been like talking about this for over 2 years now. Like last year when I cut it until here, I almost did it, but then I got too afraid. Help me. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. It's a national holiday, so I'm just taking a slow morning today. Having a little coffee. I put on like a face mask, clay mask from Aesop to clear my skin a bit because it's really been acting up. I don't know why. I have another Pilates class at 12, but this time I'm going to another location from the same gym. They just have multiple locations, and I've never been to this one, so the other one was kind of fully booked already, and I had a mat Pilates class booked there, but I'm not feeling it today. So I will go to a reformer class in the other location. I will probably take the tram or maybe even walk because it's gonna rain all day and I don't want to be in that with a bike. Came back home. My skin is looking rough these days, guys. So they were out of buns. I was so sad, but of course they're gonna be sold out. It's like a national holiday. So I just had my shake, and they also have really nice bread, so I couldn't resist to buy a loaf. Look at that. some loaf ASMR. I'm gonna get a real nice shower now. And then I'm gonna edit the vlog, I think. I need to do that, or at least start. And then this evening we are going to Café Service with my grandmother and her husband and my brother. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's one of my favorite places here in Antwerp. Good morning. The weather has completely did a 180. I feel like it's back to fall again. It feels like. So yeah, struggling a little bit, but I have on these wool trousers. These are old Dior. I have a shirt, silk shirt from Balenciaga. I've been wearing this a lot lately. It's just like a nice fitted silk shirt. And then my Vaquera blazer and the Burmeister boots. And that's it. It's Sunday today. I just came back from Lana's class, the usual Sunday routine, and I got some groceries. I went back to the bio supermarket thing. It's not been good for my wallet. Just gonna freshen up now, and at 5 I'm going to see Devil Wears Prada with some of my girlfriends. Very excited for that. And then we're going to have a dinner at Borza Cafe, which is a really nice old brown cafe where you can eat really nice classic Belgian dishes. Lunch for today: sourdough toast with avocado, 2 eggs, and some berries. It's pouring, it's absolutely pouring. I have to go to the cinema now, but I mean, it's perfect cinema weather, but I would have preferred it not to rain on my way there, but yeah. It's Monday today. I am getting ready to go to work. I just kind of dried my hair differently today, like a bit more natural. Like this is my natural hair texture. I don't know if I like it. I've been so used to drying it smooth. It gets a bit frizzy, but yeah, it goes down later. Anyways, just figuring out what to wear. It's like 15 degrees right now, and next week it's gonna be 30. So my body is having a hard time like adjusting to these temperatures. I feel like a lot of people are like a bit sick or have a small cold. I also haven't been feeling the greatest, but we move. And yeah, I wanted to tell you about this new sunscreen that I got. This one is from La Roche-Posay. It's the skincare brand I've been using for many years. Like I use their cleanser, I use their toner, their moisturizer, a lot of things. But I always found that their sunscreen was too oily for my face, and I would get really oily throughout the day, especially around the T-zone, like my forehead and stuff. And now they released this like serum sunscreen. Comes in a really nice bottle like this, so it's actually very easy to apply. And this one feels very lightweight, like a serum, and it also protects like against pollution in the air and like UV, certain UV and other things. So it has like it's more than just sunscreen. I've been really loving it. Before I was using the Beauty of Joseon, which is really nice still. I also love the texture of this. It doesn't leave me oily or anything. But I just wanted to try this for now. And so far it's been really good. So I could definitely recommend it. Yesterday was really nice. The movie, I don't know, it was fine. Of course, it's not gonna be as good as the first one, but that's, I already expected a little bit. But, I mean, it was really okay. I thought it was a little bit cringe at times. I don't know, I just miss like some kind of bit of like, it's just didn't feel so realistic, everything. I also thought that the styling was questionable. And the music I also didn't like. But Miranda is iconic and will always be an iconic character. And she was really good. So I love Meryl Streep. She's an icon, and she played Miranda again very well. But yeah, you should just go and see it, I guess, for the nostalgicness from it, but don't expect too much from it, I would say. And then afterwards, we had a really lovely dinner at Borza. It was pouring still, and I felt like my toes were freezing cold and wet, but it was kind of cozy sitting inside and having like a stoofvlees, which is like a very hearty meal here with fries and a salad. And then I went home. Today I've gone for my classic combo small blazer jeans. These are Acne Studios, one of my favorite pairs. This blazer is Balenciaga with the curved shoulders, and underneath I'm wearing a men's shirt from Dries Van Noten. It's a pinstripe one, and shoes I'm wearing the Mexicana Comme des Garçons boots, and that's it. I'm off to work now. got this recipe from a YouTuber that I've been really liking her vlogs. I've been watching almost all of them, from Sarah Lysander, and she was making this warm salad with charred corn and zucchini, and I put in some mint. I don't remember if she did, but I'm also gonna add some feta cheese. And then I have some chicken here that I've marinated in yogurt and these satire herbs, and the yogurt really makes it nice and charred and still juicy. This actually looks quite good. Today I'm wearing my spring uniform. Basically, you will be seeing a lot of this from me, probably. But again, I'm wearing a men's shirt from Dries, the same one as yesterday, but this one is with a blue stripe. My usual black denim and my brown tabby loafers. And the glasses are from Gentle Monster Margiela. Home now after a long day. Gonna make some taco bowls. I actually managed to get a time slot at the hairdressers, and I'm going tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. I still don't know what to do, so I kind of have to decide tonight what I do. I go tomorrow at 9 a.m. before my Pilates class. I still don't know. So let's see what it's gonna be. Just came home now and I made like a little hummus bowl for lunch. As you can see, I didn't go short. I didn't dare. Maybe the next appointment. I'm so annoying. I am now getting ready to go out for a little coffee. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about the hair situation. I just feel like it's a little boring. I wanted maybe slightly bigger change. Now it was like up until here, so I cut like maybe 5 or 6 centimeters. But yeah, I just kind of, we blended like the front piece a little bit with the rest now, so it's not like I have these 2 big hooks in my face anymore, so it can grow out nicely. But yeah, I don't know, I might go back if I feel like I want it shorter still. But yeah. Not that big of a change. Yeah. I'm sorry. I like made a whole fuss for nothing. Just came home now and I made a little snack plate because I'm having all the cravings, and the kombucha. Gonna chill on the couch for a bit. I actually need to tackle my knitwear. I just put it on a pile for later. I'll show you. This is the situation. Yeah. I was gonna do it today, but I really don't feel like it, so maybe I will do it later. I just want to sit down for a second.